Big moves. Yes, sir.
What's going on, guys? I'm back. I finally got my little sponsor box in. So, I didn't tell you guys what it was, who it was from, but cover my address. Gorilla Car Care. So, my other sponsorship wasn't, I didn't feel like they weren't as involved as I would like them to be as a sponsor. Because they would repost other people's stuff on Instagram and make stories and stuff on them, but would never, add me in the loop. After many posts on my story, my highlights, tagging them in posts all the time. So, reached out to Gorilla Car Care and he hooked me up with a sponsor box. So we're gonna see what's in here. Got a note saying that I ordered a sponsor box with a handwritten note saying thank you. All this paper. So the first thing is a microfiber towel. You can never have too many microfibers, especially with a detailing business. You go through them at least a pack a month or so. So that's good to have. Let's see what we got. Gorilla Clean decal, super nice. Gonna throw that on my car probably. Oh yeah, Gorilla Car Care Graphene Tire Shine. That's gonna look real good. They also threw in the foam shampoo and the ceramic shampoo. So good for your ceramics and your non-ceramic coated cars. And what's in here? Oh yeah, another Gorilla Car Care decal. It's that holographic chrome. And spray bottle nozzle for the tire shine. So, overall, I'm excited to jump on board with the brand, help them grow a little the best I can. Also helping you guys get products from them and also getting them at a discounted rate. But yeah, overall, much better than my other sponsor, but I'm not gonna down them. They did hook me up just as good. But I think Gorilla Car Care is the brand to go with right now. So, it's raining right now. I can't use none of these products, but whenever it quits raining, I'll do a review video of them, the products being used, and give y'all my honest takeaway from it. But from what I've seen with other YouTube videos and Instagram, highlights, TikTok, all that, the products seem very good. They're in detailers' arsenals, so I feel like it'll be good for me. I'll probably keep this as my personal stash and make an order for my detailing stuff as well. So yeah, shout out to Gorilla Car Care for the sponsorship box. I'm a little sad I didn't get a shirt, but whenever they get some more in stock, I'm definitely getting some to represent the brand when I'm not using the products at the time. So thank you guys for watching. If you like the content, like, subscribe, so you can stay up to date on the channel and all the videos dropping. I also got in my speaker brackets today, so I'll probably follow up this video with the install video, But if I don't, then it'll be like next week when I'm using these detailing products, hopefully. So, you know, one last time, shout out to Gorilla Car Care. And I'll see you guys on the next video.
Before I take a nap, before I go to sleep, count 100 racks while I'm praying on my knees. Chop up with the 50 wicker, make the bitch breathe. Never snitching.